Hi kids! Have you ever had a day where you just feel like nothing can go right? You know, no matter how hard you try, things just seem to go wrong. Well, I have. And I'd like to tell you about it if I could. And it goes a little something like this. Listen up! Driving to a party, my tire just blew. It's my 2-week vacation, and I just got the flu. Step into the shower, hot water just broke. My dreams, they are fading in a puff of smoke. My girlfriend just left me. I farted too much. I feel like I'll never get out of this rut. My hairline's receding. My job is the pits. My neighbor, she's 90. I just saw her tits. Ain't that a bitch? On this diet, show up. I've lost half an inch. First date in 6 months now. Show up. I just got the shits. My errands are reading. Show up. Just like Santa's list. I'd like to keep singing. Show up. But I can't find my niche. Ain't that a bitch? Are empty and my rent is due. I stepped in a puddle with my brand new shoes. Please tell me tomorrow I'll finish this luck, 'cause I'm really starting to not give a darn. Ain't that a bitch? I guess life goes on. Oh well, I guess life goes on. And on, and on, and on.
Okay.